Okay, so we are live, and we are going to work on the third part of homework one. We have already completed the first and second part. So let's look at the problem statement for the third part. For the third part, we have to define a class, book in stock, which represents a book with an ISBN number, ISBN, and price of the book as a floating point number, price as attributes. And the constructor should accept the ISBN number. It should be a string as the first argument and price as the second argument, and should raise argument error if the ISBN number is the empty string, or if the price is less than or equal to 0. And we have to include the proper getters and setters for these attributes.
Okay.
Then we have to include a method price as string, but let's get into that later.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'll just start.
Okay.
So for the boilerplate code, we already have the class defined.
Oh,
Okay,
that's convenient.
and I'll just write the constructor. ISBN and price,
Right.
and we'll define ISBN equal to ISBN, and price is equal to price. So let's try running the test. So we did not. Okay, so we just passed one test case. It's that the class is defined. The
Yeah.
next one is, getters and setters. So I
Yeah.
think
Okay.
the first two test and the next two tests for the getters and setters are the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so would you like to switch?
Sure.
Okay.
So, is it called accessor? I think that's the word for it, right?
Yep.
OSBN price.
Yep. Okay. Um, I think that should take care of the getters and setters, and I'll run the test again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it took care of the getters and setters. The next
Okay.
part is the constructor. It should reject the invalid inputs. We have not taken care of that. So I'll just try to pass those test cases.
Okay.
Okay. So before we assign those values, raise, I'll just copy the name of.
Argument error. Uh,
Is it raise or is it throw?
yeah.
In
Raise.
okay.
Argument error. Yeah.
Or if ISBN empty, or price uh, should will it work, or do you see anything wrong with it?
That looks okay to me.
Okay, so let's try the test again. Okay, I see some grains. Yeah, so the constructor is fine. Let's switch and take care of the price as string method. It says it should be defined. Okay, so do you like to write the function method
Sure.
for price as string?
Okay, so I need a method, and it's called, what was it called? Price.
It's called price underscore as underscore string.
Okay. And it returns the price of the book formatted with a leading dollar sign and two decimal places.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you can just have a string uh, and um, how to parameterize the string with the price variable. So you can just return a string.
So return a string, have a dollar sign,
Hmm.
and the price. I want, no, I don't need an argument there, right? Just that
No,
instance variable. And I need, so the price, is what kind of, no, what
so
is the price?
it's a floating point value.
Okay.
So it can be like something like 2.5 or 25.6, but then we need to print out 25.60.
So how do I do that in Ruby?
In Ruby, I guess it works something like in C, where you can use format specifiers.
Okay.
So it's something like percentage um, some 2F, and
So
should
is
I?
it? I think
Yeah,
there should be a dot, right?
after the percentage.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I think we have to change the way we are doing string interpolation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So should I do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I think I'm missing a dot over here after the percentage. I'm not sure about it. Let's try in the IRB. What do you say? So, so if we have a something like 25.6 and we want it to be in a formatted way, we can just say dollar percentage to F and then close the string and then a percentage with a no, it doesn't work. Um, I think should be this. Yeah. So
Are those square brackets?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, great.
So
Yeah, that looks like yours.
yeah. So I'm not sure, why the curly braces didn't work and the square braces are working. Is it like it's just that way, or is there a logic behind the like?
No idea.
Okay. Okay. So you can try to change the interpolation.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
it's and
and then percentage at that price.
price.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that should work. So let's try to run the test. Yeah, so we are done with part three.
Wow. Okay, so that was pretty smooth.
Yeah, yeah, I told you it should not take much time.
Cool. Okay, so I guess then we can. Well, yeah, that's it, right? And then the next assignment hasn't been put up yet, but the lectures have been put up. So yeah, get started in that.
Yeah, so I'll just stop the broadcast.